My name is Shirley Stokes, and I'm from Alabama. I'm from Hartselle, Alabama. I came to Dr. Stevens late December. Prior to that, I was having a lot of pain in my right hip. The medical profession said I had osteoporosis and had 50% bone loss. Well, prior to coming here, I was like a month. I couldn't hardly walk. I was in a lot of pain in my hip. I couldn't get out of my chair to go make coffee. I couldn't walk around much because of the pain in my hip and my lower back. So the reason why I started coming to Dr. Stevens, my daughter came and got tremendous relief from her back and pain and stuff. So when I came to Dr. Stevens, I could not lay on my stomach to get an adjustment. I was in so much pain. He couldn't, he tried massaging my back, me sitting up. It was too painful. I couldn't stand the pain. So that went on for about 3 weeks, me just sitting up. And once or twice I would lay on my back, and he would try to adjust me that way, but it was just too painful. I couldn't stand it. So about a month ago, I started to get some relief. I was able to lay on my stomach, and he was able to adjust my back. He was able to massage my back without excruciating pain like I had been having. And one thing I should have pointed out was that I couldn't hardly walk with my right ankle. It was tremendous painful in my ankle. So that went on for about a month, the pain in my ankle. And as the adjustments, I started coming regular and the adjustments started working, the pain in my ankle is gone. I have no more pain in my ankle. My back is better. He can massage my back without having any pain in my back. And I'm able to get on my stomach and get adjustments. And I have a long ways to go, but I have come a long ways. And just the pain in my hip, that's just a miracle. That's all I got to say about the pain. The pain in my hip's gone.